Hello friends, today we'll learn how to add images on a tkinter window. इसके लिए हमारे को यहाँ पे एक एक्स्ट्रा लाइब्रेरी इंपोर्ट करनी है, इमेज tk image. ठीक है, तो start with the root. I'll design the root window. Then I'll create two buttons. मैं चाहता हूँ एक बटन पे क्लिक करें तो एक इमेज जनरेट हो, मतलब जैसे I'll create one button. मैंने कुछ यहाँ पे इमेजेस पहले से डाउनलोड करी हुई हैं, लाइक दिस मिक्की, जेरी, बीन्स. ओके, अब एक क्लिक ऑफ अ बटन पे I want to generate these images. So I'll generate Mr. Beans g equal to green. Okay, so I have like created one button. I'll set the location of the button as row 0 and column 0 with some padding provided. Pad x equal to 20 and pad y equal to 20. Fine. Okay, I'll design the second button. v2 equal to button, text equal to Mickey. So when we click on Beans button, Beans image should appear. When we click on Mickey button, Mickey image should appear. This kind of thing I am going to design. So v2 dot grid, same row पे place कर देते हैं, and on a different column, column 1, and we'll provide pad x equal to 20 and a pad y equal to 20. So two buttons are designed. I set the style of the buttons. For that I need to create a font और एक डिजाइन बना लेते हैं font का खुद का. For that I need a font module, font.font, and I want a family. जो भी आपको font style चाहिए यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं आप. Comic Sans, I want Comic Sans. And what is the size of the font that I want? 22. And weight is bold. So I want a bold Comic Sans. This is the style that I want on both buttons. Okay, so initially when run this program, this ये जो font style अभी मैंने buttons पे set नहीं किया, so when I'll run it, just showing simple buttons without any like size, and the font style Comic Sans 22 is not there. So उसके लिए मैं क्या करना है, दोनों buttons का font property set कर देंगे. So how to do that? b1 font equal to font1. अब ये जो दो buttons बन रहे हैं, I want कि like on click of a one button, Beans image will appear. Okay, so nothing is working because मैं इसको कोड नहीं किया, तो हमें इस पे क्लिक करने पे functions कॉल करना है. तो how to create functions in Python? So I'll create def show beans. This is a UDF. Okay, अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि जब यहाँ पे when I click on B1 button, this show beans function will be called. So I'll give it a name, command equal to show beans. Okay, अब यहाँ पे मैंने इसको अटैच कर दिया बटन की कोडिंग के साथ. B1 बटन की क्लिक पे show beans UDF कॉल होगा. अब show beans में होगा क्या? There will be an image that will be shown. Okay, for that I need to create an image variable, image equal to, I need to take the help of this module, image tk dot photo image. Python is case sensitive, to remember P is capital, I is capital, and T is capital. Okay, then image dot open, which image I want to open? Beans dot jpg. This is on my desktop. So image is ready. Where I want to place it? On a label. So I'll set label. There is a property called image equal to image1. So मैंने यहाँ पे एक label बनाया है जिसका नाम है L, और उस पे एक image set कर दी है img. This is the image that I want to. Okay, now place the label where it should place it. Row equal to 1 and column equal to 0. Some padding provided. As usual, I've taken the same padding. Okay, so I'll set the global image should be a global variable. Okay, we'll run it and test. Okay. Some problem, no such file beans and jpg because path is different. So I should save it. This file, this is the path is different. I should save it on the desktop because my image is on the desktop. Otherwise, you can give the complete path. Okay, so I'll run it. So fine, but Mickey is not working because I have not coded this button. अभी इसकी भी coding करनी है, तो I'll do the same coding as I have did for Mr. Show Beans. I'll just copy paste it and just change it to Mickey. So as many images you can set, and I'll change it to Mickey.jpg. This image should be there, or either you can give the complete plus C drive, whatever, and other settings can remain same. So ये function show Mickey कब call होगा? When I'll click on Mickey button. So where is Mickey button? This is the Mickey button. So see, on a B1 button I am calling show beans, and on this button I should call which function? Show. That's it. Okay, save it and run it. Fine, click on Mr. Beans. Beans image appear, Mickey button. So I can change the images according to our requirement. Okay, thanks. Continue with some new button programming in the next video. Thank you.